What's going on, folks? Mike here. Welcome back to Tahoes and Turbos. Today, it's a really hot one, so we're gonna address the heat situation in the shop. This rank, humid, really feeling, and also allow us to work, all hours. And that is putting up a fan. We're gonna go to Canadian Tire and get some stuff. And we're going to build a DIY ceiling fan light combination. It runs off of a remote control. And we're going to mount it, I think, right there. So I was going to mount it more in the middle, right? But when the hood's up on the Tahoe, we won't be able to see nothing. Okay? So if I mount it right there, we should be okay. You know what I'm saying? Let's do a dry run here. Yeah, it's just right in front of the hood, so we should theoretically be alright. Because I want to get this back on this thing. I think what we're going to do with this thing next is we're going to put the old fuel regulator back in. I haven't taken the old one out yet. We're going to put that old one back in. And then we're going to see, we're going to check on that screw. Maybe adjusting it. Maybe that was the keyhole along, and I was just too stupid to realize it. But anyways, I'm going to go now to the city and go get a bunch of stuff. It is so hot in here. I'm sweating. It's supposed to be 22 today, which is not bad. But in here, it's going to be like 42. So anyways, I will see you guys when we get some stuff. All right, folks, we're back. It's been a while since I picked up the camera, but we got everything we need to do our little shop fan. It's probably about a month since I last actually filmed anything with to do with this. Had some back issues show up, and I've been paralyzed actually for the last week almost. So, yay. Anyways, we've got our light socket. We've got our little mounting base, which we're going to try to zip tie this up to the bar. Yeah, I might put some tape or something, like some Gorilla Tape, a couple of layers over this to kind of make like a thick insulator. Might be a good idea. And we got a cord here. It's a 2-prong. So I'll show you guys what we're going to do with that. And then in here is our light, our fan light. So everything here you can get from Canadian Tire, your local co-op, if you're where I'm from. So, and it's all under about $100 Canadian. The most expensive part was this fan, and it was about 60 bucks, I think, like that Canadian. So, but everything else, like this is like what, a 25-foot cord? I think I got 24 and 11. I got this on sale for like 12 bucks for that. So 60 and 12 is 72. And I think this was like 5 bucks, and I think this was like, another 5 bucks. So, about 80 bucks, let's say. Right? So, anyways, let's get everything going here, and I'm going to show you guys kind of what I'm going to do. My dad used to do this kind of stuff. Growing up, my dad used to raise homing pigeons. So our backyard, we had pigeon coops like crazy. And, well, to run like heats, like heated water bowls and stuff like that, this is kind of the idea that Dad would do. So, hopefully it works for our needs, because, man, my shop smells like it smells like a chicken barn. Real bad. Also, happy 4th of July to my Americans down south. You gotta have yourselves, hang on. Oh, there we go. I shouldn't be doing this with the meds that I'm on for my back. I'm on some pretty strong meds, but, happy 4th of July, guys. All right, folks. We got the ends of the cord cut and stripped. They're not stripped yet, but we got them cut, as you can see. The good part is that they're, black and white, which is perfect, because on here it tells you white goes to silver, black goes to brass. So we should be on the right path here. So I'm going to get all this stripped down, wired up to here. And we will see what it all looks like when it's done. I might go to the shop and grab some zip ties to put them in here to get them ready, so that this is all sealed and ready to go product. So once this is done, we'll open up the box here and see the fan. So once again, happy 4th of July to my American friends down south. And of course, well, This is, I only drink blue beer, so love you. All right, folks. Silver to white, brass to, oops, sorry. Silver to white, brass to black. We should be good to go, folks. Should be able to now just flip this down. Slide it on here. And plug it in. So first I'm going to go get the zip ties that I'm going to run through the bottom so that we can zip it up. So I'll be right back. Alright, folks. The zip ties that I went to grab, these really big, long, thick fuckers, right? Are a little bit too big for here. So I'm going to run to the co-op and grab some other ones. But just for shits, I'm going to grab one of my Phillips bulbs. Let's go plug it in here and see what happens. I'll meet you guys over on the side or on the floor where I can plug this in. All right, folks. I got the light bulb there on a piece of styrofoam. And just because, well, I am still not really a fan of electricity. So let me plug this in. Oh, whoa, look at that. It works. It works, folks. So with that, I'm 100% confident that the fan's going to work in the shop. So I didn't think it wouldn't work. I'm just thinking, I don't know, it's the same shit again with the truck wiring, which, where's the box of it? Somewhere over there, there's a big box of just old dead wires. It's the same shit with the truck wiring, the stove. I have no confidence when it comes to wiring. I apologize, folks. It's who I am. Anyways, but it works. So let me unplug it. You guys. There we go. So next step will be to get it all mounted. And when we get back from the co-op, we'll unbox this fan here and we'll check it out. We'll show you guys what's all in the box before we go out to the garage and actually mount stuff up. So I'm excited, folks. I'm excited. Then maybe it'll be warm or not so dickish in there and we can put these back on. So they've been sitting because, well, truck's not been moving. So anyways, enough of the crying. I'm going to get all this cleaned up and a lot of this shit cleaned up. And I got some more tools back in the shop or in here. Anyways, I get around to the co-op. I'll be back. All right, folks. We're back and I got the right zip ties this time. Also, I was digging around my drawer in the toolbox here. I'm not sure if I mentioned it, but I found a piece of 2-wire. So I could have just bought a plug instead of another cable. See, that's also an option if you guys want to do it that way. Instead of buying an extension cord like this, it's already, right? You just get some this 2-wire. And, 2-prong plug, wire it up one end, wire up the other end to here, and you should be golden. So, but anyways, I'm going to kind of do some insulating here on it with the, so that everything is going to be good. I don't think, those only, like, electricity going through here at all, like anything will touch us to zap. Like, I think we could probably mount this straight to the roof of the shop and it will be fine. But I'm going to see if I can find a little piece of the styrofoam from over there. Just put it in here, kind of make like a little bit of a... We'll see. But I definitely do want to wrap some rubber Gorilla tape over it, as well as run these in. So we'll get that done right now. Alright, folks. Here's pretty much the setup, how we're going to be doing stuff. I just ran some Gorilla tape around some areas just to get some little bit of protection, right? Because, well, it's a little bit tougher and better than electrical tape, let's be honest. So, and it's, help a little bit with the rubberization. I used some RTV. Yes, I use what I had on hand. I know it's going to stick, and I know it's going to work well for what I need it. I put some RTV in between the tape and the styrofoam. Just because this is just going to insulate any vibration so that it doesn't shake the living shit out of the shop from the fan. Right. You guys trying to think ahead. It might not, but just to be sure. I got my zip ties in here because this is how we're going to attach it to the beam. We're just going to fucking zip tie it up and should be good. Now, we'll get that out of the way. Let me move that over there. Let it keep drying. And while that's happening, pop this open, take a look at what's inside. All right, folks, this is the, what is it, Ben & Howell socket fan light, fit standards, 1000 lumens. This is your main meat and potato boy here. And then here's your wings, right, your fans. And then over here, we've got extensions. So if you have like a recessed ceiling or something like that, like a pocket. And then here we got like our double-sided tape and mounting hardware and stuff like that for this guy here, which is a handy dandy remote. So I already know how these work. The kids have them each in their bedrooms. They are fantastic. So let me set it up here and see what it looks like all together for you guys. Pretty much exactly like the picture. But my favorite thing is the whole no wiring. That is awesome. 3 light settings, 3 fan settings. And you can see down there where it says recessed light. So if we want, we can bring this down if we need to in the shop, or we can just have it up high. So we'll find out. I might have it one down at first just to kind of help things along, but we'll see. We'll see how everything fits. But yeah, almost done getting the fan in the shop. The fun part's going to be climbing a ladder and putting it up there. But that's with the hip and the back fucked up. Is what it is. Let's get it done. And like that, folks, we should have ourselves a shop fan. So let's go install it, shall we? First, I think I might have a little bit of a supper. But anyways, let's go get it in before the rain starts. I'm actually excited for this. This is actually pretty neat. What do you guys think? Do you think this is a good idea? Comment down below. I would love to hear it. Like I said, these blades just clip right in. Just pop right in. This all just screws together. If I want it longer, I can add the other one and bring it down another bit. But yeah, guys, we got ourselves a shop fan. So let's go put it in. All right, guys, we are in the shop. I got Emmy supervising. Right, Emmy? Mm-hmm. And then I got Haley over here. She's going to hold the ladder while I go up and attach the fan. We just had a really crazy ass storm roll through, so shit's all wet. And power's kind of out and stuff like that all over. So I don't know if I'm going to be able to upload this for you guys on time. I know Patreon, you're going to have to wait. But I would like to get my YouTube guys their video 8 a.m. for Thursday. I'm trying for, Thursday, which is the 4th. So I'm trying to get you guys your video. Well, we'll see what we can do. But anyways, I'm going to go up on the ladder with a crippled ass back and hip.
Don't fall off again.
Quiet. And we'll see what happens. Alright, guys. I got it up. And you can hear she's raining like a bitch, hey? And it was thundering. You guys scared? Yeah. The kids want to get the hell out of here. We just barely got her. I got all the wiring right here. So let's get the thing out of the wrapper here, the remote. Out of the wrapper. Let's pull the safety wire. Put that there. We'll grab the cord here. As you can see, I already ran the power. So this should just... Oh, sorry. Should just plug in here. Haley, you want to hold this?
Sure.
You seeing it?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Oh, it's bright in here, guys.
Oh, sorry, I got my hands in the way there. Sorry, folks, but okay, look at that. We got a light in here. Oh, I haven't ever done that to even Emmys, but yeah, you can after. But let me see the fan. Let's see if it's how it spins. I was worried about the fan being all super wobbly. So let's back up, guys, and then zoom in and see how the fan, if it gets really wobbly. Guys, I'd move away from there just in case it falls out of there. So maybe come stand behind Dad. Yeah, come stand behind Dad. Just in case it decides to go. Okay. That's full blast. She's not wobbling at all. It actually feels really good in here. Ooh. Wow. Okay. We can turn it off with the remote. Zoom back out. We got light differences. And we got fan.
Differences.
That is gonna make a huge difference, folks. Let me shut that off. Power's starting to freak out, but well, so what do you guys think of my redneck do-it-yourself ceiling fan in a shop? And I apologize for the wind. So we're gonna clean all this up after, but yeah, I think that'll pretty much do it. It's about to start storming big time, but I got a light in the shop. I don't know, what do you guys think? Comment down below. Would you do the same thing I did? It cost under, well, I'd say 80 bucks Canadian is what it pretty much costs, taxes in, which is like what, 25 bucks American? So, alright, I got more cord than I need. Whatever, I can run it along if I need to. I can also run it, you know, that way and down, or that way and down and back, and whatever. But we'll figure that out some other day. For now, this works. This is gonna help get the musty out of here and make it more of a workable environment. Now we can work all the time. Ooh, you know what we should test before I let you guys go? Here, let me clean off the hood. Help me clean off the hood, Haley. Here, we'll put this over. Hi. I dropped you guys. I'm sorry. Anyways, let's clean off the hood. Ooh, it's really coming down out there. So let's pop the hood and see. We got shadows still. It would have been better maybe there. I might move it. I can move it. I have the option of moving it, but for now, whatever. We got light. Emmy's freaking out because Emmy hates storms, right, Emmy? Oh, you can see my footprints in the truck. Crazy. But anyways, that's all for today, guys. Thank you so much for tuning in, and yeah, we got a fan in the shop and a light. One step at a time. Anyways, yeah, they're scared. We're gonna head in. Till next time, take care of yourselves. Love you. Stay safe. It's storm season, so stay safe. We might end up sleeping downstairs depending on how the skies look. So, and you might not see this for a few days. So, anyways, love you guys. God bless.